Hello friends, in this video we are going to see gate problem from the topic kinematics. Let's start. As per the given question in GATE 2017, Mechanical Set 1, question number 27 for 2 marks. For the vector v vector equal to 2yz I cap plus 3xz j cap plus 4xy k cap, find the value of del dot del cross v, correct? And there are no options. It is a subjective question. So actually this is an identity del dot del cross v, and we know the value exactly, but here we are going to derive the value of del dot del cross v. So first of all, we are going to write what is del cross v. So v vector can be written in the component form like ui plus vj plus wk, velocity vector in the velocity component xyz directions, correct? Now if you want to write del cross v vector equal to, so this can be written in the determinant form I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y and dou by dou z u v w, correct? Yeah. How to expand this? So first we have to write I cap into, so dou w by dou y minus of dou v by dou z minus j cap into dou w by dou x minus of dou u by dou z plus k cap into dou v by dou x minus of dou u by dou y. Okay, yeah. In the question we have to find del dot del cross v vector, correct? So we can write the complete equation. So del is an operator and it is equal to I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. Dot product of del cross v. So we have already found del cross v here, correct? So we'll write the complete equation here. I into dou w by dou y minus of dou v by dou z minus j cap into dou w by dou x minus of dou u by dou z plus k cap, the last term, dou v by dou x minus of dou u by dou y, correct? So if you take the dot product of these two terms, you will be getting here, so I into I, so a dot b, when you're doing a dot b, so a dot b is equal to ab cos theta, correct? So I into I, so you'll be getting cos 0 1. When I into j and I into k, you'll be getting cos 90, that will be 0. So only we'll be having term from I into I, j into j and k into k. So first you can multiply this I into I term, so we'll be getting here dou square w by dou x dou y, first term, this term into this term, then I into this whole bracket term will multiply dou x minus of dou square v by dou x dou z. dou x dou z minus this term into the j term minus dou square w by dou y dou x, then minus minus plus dou square u into dou y dou z plus then k term with this last term dou square v by dou z dou x minus dou square u by dou z dou y. Okay, now you can see some of the terms, I mean all the terms can be cancelled, you can see here. So dou square w dou x dou y, and here it is, so this first two term dou square w dou x dou y and dou y dou x, this can be cancelled here. Second term dou square v minus it is, and this is plus dou z dou x, and the third term dou square u dou y dou z plus, and this is minus, so everything is cancelled and we are getting 0. So the value of del dot del cross v is always equal to 0, whatever be the velocity vector, the value of del dot del cross v will be always equal to 0. Okay, thank you.